Bonjour! Today's episode is on the French alphabet. On y va. The alphabet is the most basic building block of any language, so that's why it's the first lesson in our French pronunciation series, which you'll be learning in the next few episodes. Why don't we go through a quick run of the alphabet from top to bottom? A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Did he just say J?
Yeah, it's a little weird, but in French, J is pronounced like J. And the J, spoiler alert, is pronounced like J. On continue. H, I, J, there it is, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. If you found some value in this, go ahead and give us a like, subscribe on YouTube, or subscribe to the podcast wherever you find your podcasts. We'll see you next time when we continue the French pronunciation series. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.